Used luxury cars are one of the most tempting things in the automotive world because suddenly cars that once cost 70 to 80 lakh rupees start appearing online for the price of a brand new SUV. And that is exactly where a lot of people make dangerous mistakes. Now, don't get me wrong. Used luxury cars can be incredible value, but they can also become financial nightmares if you buy blindly. So in this video, let's honestly talk about whether buying a used luxury car in India is a smart decision or a trap. Let's first understand why used luxury cars are so attractive. The first reason is obvious. Depreciation on luxury cars is brutal. A BMW, Audi or Mercedes can lose massive value within a few years, which creates insane opportunities for second-hand buyers. And honestly, this is why the temptation becomes dangerous. People think if I can buy a used BMW for the same price as a new Creta, then why not? And emotionally, it feels like an upgrade in every possible way. But here is the problem. Luxury cars depreciate for a reason. The purchase price becomes cheap, but the maintenance usually doesn't. Tires still cost luxury money. Parts still cost luxury money, and insurance still costs luxury money. And once these cars get older, repair bills can become unpredictable. Now, how do you know that you're buying a wrong used luxury car? This is where most people fail. They buy based on badging, appearance, and low price, instead of service history, ownership condition, reliability, and maintenance records. Honestly, used luxury cars make sense for people who understand ownership costs, have backup savings, genuinely love cars, and can maintain them properly. Not people trying to look rich quickly. And when we look at the other side of the road, some used luxury cars can genuinely feel like incredible deals, especially if maintained properly, bought carefully, and inspected thoroughly. The driving experience you get can feel miles ahead of many new mainstream cars. But the biggest mistake is spending your entire budget just to buy the car, because ownership starts after purchase. A used luxury car can either feel like your smartest purchase or your most expensive mistake. And honestly, the difference usually comes down to patience and research. Because luxury cars are amazing when you can comfortably maintain them, but stressful when you buy them only for validation. Now, do let me know in the comment section if you are planning to buy a luxury car, and don't forget to follow Luthra Drives for more car talks.